What's up, guys? My name's Justin, and last year in 2020 I made just over $100,000 from my mobile games, which is just insane to think that even 4 years ago I was broke and I literally knew nothing about game development. The best part is I spent zero on marketing. You see, the last couple of years I've been on a journey of discovery and knowledge to find out what works and what isn't working. I've experimented with a lot of things. I've had my successes, I've had my failures. So the whole point of me starting this YouTube channel is to share my progress with you guys, to share my trials, my tribulations, my failures and my successes, and hopefully to take you on a journey where we can all grow together and to save you some time and some money. So if you want to follow me on this journey, please hit that subscribe button and I will see you in future videos. Peace.